Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest tech gadgets. Today, we've got something for all you iPad users out there: the JAMJAKE Stylus Pen for iPad. Get ready to unlock your creative potential with this sleek and powerful stylus. Stick around as we delve into its features, compatibility, and why it might just be your perfect iPad companion. Let's kick things off with compatibility. The JAMJAKE Stylus Pen is a versatile tool that plays nice with a wide range of iPad models. You can use it with iPad 2018 and later versions, including iPad 10th, 9th, 8th, 7th, and 6th Gen, iPad Pro 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th Gen, iPad Pro 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th Gen, iPad Air 3rd, 4th, and 5th Gen, and iPad Mini 5th and 6th General. That's a lot of iPads covered. However, it's important to note that this stylus isn't compatible with pre-2018 iPad models, including iPad 1 to 5 Gen, iPad Mini 1 to 4 Gen, iPad Air 1st and 2nd Gen, and certain iPad Pro models. So, please double-check your device compatibility before making a purchase. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this stylus. First up, palm rejection. This is a game-changer for digital artists and note-takers. With palm rejection, you can rest your hand comfortably on the screen while you draw or write, without worrying about stray marks. No need for gloves or awkward hand positioning. And here's a neat addition: the magnetic design. While this feature is exclusive to iPad Pro 3rd Gen and later, it's incredibly handy. The stylus attaches magnetically to your iPad, ensuring it won't roll off your desk or get lost. It's not only practical but also adds to the overall sleekness of the design. Now, let's talk about precision. This stylus offers tilt functionality, allowing you to create strokes of varying thickness and depth by simply adjusting the angle of the pen. Whether you're an artist or a meticulous note-taker, this feature opens up a world of possibilities. And when it comes to sensitivity, the JAMJAKE stylus doesn't disappoint. It offers precise point control with no scratches on the screen and no lag, offset, or breaks in your lines. It's incredibly responsive, making it feel almost like you're using a traditional pen or pencil. Convenience is key with this stylus. There's no need for Bluetooth or app connections. Simply turn it on by touching the cap button. And when it comes to charging, a quick 15 to 20 minute charge can keep you going for 8 to 10 hours of work. It's efficient and ready whenever you are. So, whether you're sketching your next masterpiece, taking detailed notes, or navigating your iPad with precision, the JAMJAKE Stylus Pen for iPad is here to enhance your experience. It's the perfect blend of functionality and style. If you found this review helpful and you're considering adding this stylus to your iPad arsenal, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay creative, stay productive, and stay tuned for more exciting tech discoveries right here on Product Critique.